Good morning. This is the case which may be helpful for young lawyers as well as family court lawyers dealing with the matrimonial cases. See, this is AR 2023 NOC 562 Guwahati. AR 2023 NOC 562 Guwahati. Bholanath Rai versus Tutumoni Sonawal and another. Here, the lower court granted maintenance to the wife, giving categorical finding that the marriage between them was solemnized as per social rights. But thereafter some problem arose. Therefore, the wife was subjected to mental and physical torture and demand of dowry. So she later came to know that after her father's death, her husband has got earlier marriage with another woman. But presumption about validity of marriage would operate with all amplitude and plenitude. This is what the judgment says. They say that though husband has claimed that he was already married, he could not establish that his marriage with second wife was void and illegal. Order awarding maintenance is proper. Husband direct to clear arrears of maintenance amount. AAR 1975 Supreme Court 1960 followed. You kindly keep this judgment for your file and record. Then question arises, I want to discuss one thing with you. Judges passing, rendering justice nowadays has to be categorized. Number one, the Orndu Kannoda, the Armatum, and the Saivak Demure, without looking after both the sides, only looking after the records and material before the court always grant justice, render justice. That was according to Thiruvallur. But nowadays what happened, some judgments are rendered generality with even scale of justice. Some judgments are rendered partiality. That partiality judgments was due to sustainability. Sometimes for sustainability, justice are rendered. In some cases, grant of bail, quash proceedings, considering the morality, background of the case, and the status of the students or law college graduates, so many things. These all are sustainability solid. But some judgments are rendered for sustainability of the judge's position, his contact, his mentor. This is also happening. So it is very great difficult for us to survive in the justice. See, always say too many cooks spoil the food. When multi-number of judges are appointed, it happens. Earlier, the nobility of the advocates was such a high peak because there were numbers were few. Here now numbers are heavy. Courts are crowded with the lawyers and trainees, and also law clerks. A system introduced for whom I do not know, for what I do not know. Somehow somebody is getting benefit. Whether that benefit is properly utilized or their services are properly monitored is $1,000 questions, not before all the courts. Whatever it may be, there is also question of consideration of sustainability. So this has to be checked. Then what is going to happen, what not going to happen. Let us see. If anything reaches its high peak, then the judge, according to Bhagavad Gita, if anything is reaching above standard, then the God will may want to put an end. Just like Mahabali was crushed because he reached a high peak of familiarity and command the common people. So the Lord wanted to put an end to that. So many things are there. And Lord Krishna said when Mahabharata war was ended with destruction of almost all monarchs, Lord Krishna said that only for that purpose I came here. These kings are not maintaining the morality, dominating, and only concentrating on their legal heirs to be thrown, not considering the merits and all these things. This is also happening nowadays in politics also, and let us see and hope what Lord uh, put an end to this hereditary and dynasty, slave dynasty rulings. Disciples, only slave disciples are being considered, whatever it may be. Therefore, there is for everybody want to register their slavery to the high command of the political parties and to do whatever they command. Uh, Beg, borrow, steal, everything they do. Acha, namaskar, vanakkam.